Self-driving cars are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They are currently operating in several US cities, including San Francisco, Phoenix, and Los Angeles. These vehicles offer a glimpse into a future where transportation is revolutionized. Autonomous vehicles hold the potential to significantly enhance safety on our roads. They can also increase mobility for individuals who are unable to drive themselves. Moreover, AVs offer the promise of improved traffic flow and reduced emissions, contributing to a cleaner environment. The transition to a future with autonomous vehicles is complex. It is crucial to acknowledge both the potential benefits and the challenges that lie ahead. While the prospect of safer roads, increased mobility, and environmental benefits is enticing, several hurdles must be overcome before AVs become commonplace. These hurdles include technological limitations, regulatory uncertainties, and public perception. One of the most significant challenges facing AV deployment is ensuring their safety. While proponents argue that AVs have the potential to be much safer than human drivers, accidents still occur. For instance, a fatal accident involving a self-driving car in 2018 ignited the debate on technological regulations. This incident underscored the need for robust safety policies and testing protocols. Another challenge lies in the complexity of the technology itself. AVs rely on a complex interplay of sensors, software, and algorithms to navigate their surroundings. These systems are not foolproof and can be susceptible to errors, particularly in unpredictable situations. For example, there have been instances where AVs have misidentified road signs or misinterpreted sensor data, leading to dangerous maneuvers. Public trust remains a significant barrier to widespread AV adoption. Many people are apprehensive about relinquishing control to a machine, especially when it comes to their safety. Studies have shown that a lack of trust in the technology is a major concern for potential users. This lack of trust is often rooted in a lack of understanding of how AVs work and concerns about their reliability. Addressing these concerns will require a multifaceted approach. It is crucial to educate the public about the technology, its capabilities, and its limitations. Transparency from manufacturers and regulators is essential in building trust. Furthermore, demonstrating the safety and reliability of AVs through rigorous testing and clear safety protocols will be paramount in gaining public acceptance. The future of autonomous vehicles will depend on a complex interplay of technological advancements, regulatory frameworks, and public acceptance. While the path to full autonomy is likely to be gradual, the potential benefits of this technology are too significant to ignore. Governments and industry leaders must work together to create a regulatory environment that fosters innovation while ensuring safety. Public-private partnerships will be crucial in accelerating the development and deployment of AV technology. Collaboration on research and development, data sharing, and infrastructure development will be essential in realizing the full potential of autonomous vehicles. Ultimately, the success of this transformative technology will depend on striking a balance between innovation and safety, all while earning the trust of the public it aims to serve.